Hi guys, so 2021, a new year and a new package from TechBoost. So, to give you a little context, this is the thing. It's not an unboxing video. Yeah, you heard it right. It's not entirely an unboxing video. The thing is that there was a bit of issue regarding like technical support and all. So I just went for some testing and all because you know how things are going right now. But yeah, like the card is brand new, but it is like tested a bit and all. So and I am happy because you know my last card, like this one, it still works. Like it's from just Zotac and it's 1060. It still works and no issue on that. But the new technologies like RTX, DLSS, and I am also working with RTX. So like I am, if not like RTX and also algorithm like stuff because you know how crazy is AI nowadays. So just bear with me because if I open the package, some guys were saying that, oh yeah, you opened the package and it's not an unboxing. See what mess is going on. So before jumping to this card, I would like to ask you how was your 2020 and how is 2021 so far for you? Is it good or is it bad? And yeah, it's like quite a bit of struggle for me because you know when you buy stuff from good guys like TechBoost, they pack it so well it does take time. And okay, let let go berserk on this. And yeah, so I will try to get the card out as soon as possible, and it does take time, so bear with me, give me some time, some more time. Sorry for that because you know, like this thing, like cards are not only rare nowadays but also expensive. Like, let me tell you, like if you will be lucky enough to get a card now, and if you haven't got a card now you should get one now because there are not much good news regarding it. And I will be mostly register the card before the video goes live, you know, because there are some things that you don't want to share with the world. And some share the world is the backside. Yes, it's the backside. More strength required. Oh my god. See, it is white. Yes, it's a bit up. It's GeForce RTX 3070. Wow. Zotac gaming. Yeah, yes, it's a rare card, guys. It's a rare card. Okay, going to the features first. It's on the back side. Okay, first features. It's second gen ray tracing cores, third gen tensor cores, PCI Express Gen 4, DirectX 12 Ultimate, GDDR6 graphics memory, NVIDIA DLSS, NVIDIA GeForce Experience. I think okay, it's a software by the way. G-Sync a monitor technology, GPU boost. I think this is the when it overclocks itself. And game ready drivers, Vulkan, RT API, OpenGL 4.6, DisplayPort 1.4a, HDMI 2.1, HDCP. So it's also DisplayPort 2.0 supported, which I am sure also. And what I can say, this card has ray tracing core for RTX. Even if you are not into RTX is very good thing. Along with DLSS, it is making huge leaps and bounce in games. And for me, tensor core are very needed because I am into AI, and this card will be used for evaluation and purpose. And Okay, let's open the package. As I said, this is not an unboxing. So it was opened, it was tested and all. Okay, I can't get the box out. Okay. Whew. You know I am out of breath. Okay, going to the front side first. Okay, so see this. Extended memories 3 plus 2 5 year per mind piece. Even this card has warranty. Yes, even this card has warranty. So for now I am set for at least 5 years. So whatever, like 2026 or 25, I don't mind. I am set for 5 years. I storm 2.0, so I think that worked a bit on the fans or and all. Free stake is the when the GPU is not much used, below 60 degree or something, it stops. So you can see it is NVIDIA Ampere Architect ray tracing DLSS, and as the appearance can say, we have some rainbow effect on the I think you can touch this, it is elevated a bit. And Twin-Edge OCA edition, yes, it's factory overclocked and white edition. So yeah, like I thought, if I'm going to 3070, why not go to something that it is like quite rare. Like like this is the new craze. Whew. Okay, now the box. Okay, it will be a bit far. Okay, full frame. And like now open the box. You have get amplified, some documentation. Unlike few people, I don't throw because I know there is some secrets in this. Like you have to dive deep. Yes, secrets means not only user manual, but get amplified. This one, yes. Imagine if you are buying a card and you are throwing away the stickers. Why? These are like shiny stickers. This can go on the case and all. I normally don't use it because if I am to give this card to someone, let's say spread happiness or any purpose, they can even use a sticker. And I don't like have much of stuff on the stickers because the machine has to speak about it. So it is Zotac Gaming. Wow. And here it is like get amplified with all new GeForce GTX graphic card. Okay, this pictured one is a holoback card, amp holoback. And on the back side, they have their Z-box PCs, like smaller mini factor PC, and it's a catalog kind of thing. Okay, so opening up, Dare to Dream, free sign up to play, loyalty program, Zotac. Okay, so they do have a tournament from time to time, and it's a regular thing, by the way. It's not like, even I know from 900 series Gen, they had this Zotac Cup or something like 2007. So it's around that time, but not before. But like, sorry, I'm getting confused with the timeline for them because I am overly happy. And so it is a Make 6 images. If you are into one brand PCs and all-in-one type of stuff, so but all-in-one is like monitor with stuff. But these were like PCs, pre-assembled PCs. So quick installation guide. These are like not handy, but keep it like if you are getting stuff, please make sure you have the latest driver stuff from Zotac. Okay, GeForce.com. Even there are drivers on Zotac site. So you can get it. So having the documentation a bit aside, and let's open the box, turn it to the side. Nice. Okay, so this is Master Gel Cooler Master. I had asked him for some cooler thermal gel and he sent it. Thank you. These are the I think 6-pin to 8-pin kind of converters, and there are two, in fact, two converters. I know the video is getting longer, but there is so much to say, and yeah, like I have to work today, but I will just put in the card and work today because there is another thing that I have a LAN Cool 215 again from TextBoost, and I will make a PC. I will switch the software kind of thing. Okay. Sorry, I'm not not trying to exaggerate, but I'm really cold and my nose is always closed for nowadays. It's a tight cut. So here is Zotac Gaming, all glory and stuff. uh, Very nice, isn't it? Mano, I can't wait to use it. So, okay, not touching the gold thing. So here, like GeForce, RTX, lift to game, the power things go here, the PCA power. So I'm fumbling a lot with this. I know, like I'm over the moon now. Like this GPU is like I had waited so long, and okay, I think there is plastic to pill. Let's go. uh, this is a cringe, but I can't leave the plastic here because it's the shroud kind of thing. And yeah, thank you so much, Ritvik, Tech Boost, Ritvik Jana, and also Zota Gaming to get the card here. Like, how hard it is, and everyone involved. Shout out to them. If I fail to mention someone, don't be angry and all. So somehow the plastic is there and I can feel it. I'm more happy now. I think these light up or something. Let me see a bit more. Yeah, you can just stop this video and go. This is, I know, weird. Okay, just a bit of information. There are three display port and one HDMI, and it's a twin fan card, and okay, the fan blades are more in it. I think 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think it is a 11 blade design. It's a fast for it, and this one too. This one is bigger, and this one too. And yeah, like you might have seen three slotted fan cards, but yeah, if you are case limited and all those things, then this card is perfect for you. And so yeah, like this is the unboxing, and let me, this is the box. How hard it is to reach. Come on, boy. So this is the box, and this is the card. Okay, let's enter a bit. So guys, a good start to 2021. Hope you like the video. I know it's a bit long, but yeah, what to do? And keep Zotac gaming. I know it sounds weird. Sorry, cringy. Goodbye.